and there is another line which is intersecting this L. Okay, this is M. And angle between two lines, are you understanding? We are talking about this particular angle. Other one will be same, right?
Yes, sir.
Or maybe we are talking about this particular angle. Other one will be same. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So when we are talking about angle between two lines, we are talking about the red angle or maybe the purple angle. If I will tell you the red angle is 60°, you will be able to find the purple angle. How? By linear pair. Yes or no? Okay, you can say the purple angle will be 180 minus 60. That is 120°. So if I will say angle between two lines can be acute or it can be obtuse, is it making sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now there is a formula. We are having a formula to find the angle between two lines. Okay. Very deeply we will not try understanding from where the formula is coming, but still I will show you how we are getting the formula. Okay. So yeah, let's continue. Suppose we are having the coordinate axis, x-axis, y-axis. Okay. Now, if we are having a line, let's say L, the moment we are having line L, we will start thinking about the slope of this line. What is the slope of the line L? Okay. Slope of L, let's say the slope of L is M1. And there is another line as well. And one more thing, suppose this M1, okay, this line L whose slope is M1. We are assuming the slope as a M1. Okay, we know slope means how much the line is inclined with the positive direction of x-axis. Okay, one more thing we have discussed in the last class, that from the left towards the right we have to check. If we start moving from the left direction and we are moving and moving and moving and moving and moving and moving and we are checking, if the line is going up and up and up and up and up, that means the slope will be positive. Now from the left direction towards the right direction, we will be moving and moving and moving and moving and moving. And if we will see the line is going down and down and down and down, that means the slope will be negative, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So a line L I have taken, whose slope we have taken the assumption as a M1. We are assuming that it is making angle over here. Let's say the angle is alpha, alpha 1. Okay. Now we have one more line. The purple one. Okay. The name of the line is M. Okay. Or maybe let me take N because the slope I will assume as a M2. Okay. The slope of this line we are assuming as a M2. Suppose this purple one is making positive direction, okay, an angle with the positive direction of x-axis. There are two ways to find the slope. First, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Another, we can find the slope by using theta. If theta is known, theta means the angle made with the positive direction of x-axis. If that is known, yes, one more thing. Everyone was there in the last class. Are you getting everything? First, Aisha, you was there. Manvi, you was there. Nabila, you was also there. Mariam, you was there in the last class.
No, miss.
So you are not getting anything, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So slope we were discussing in the last class. Okay, slope means how much the line is inclined with the positive direction of x-axis. Okay, that's called slope. For now, since all the discussion is based on slope and today's class completely, okay, again and again I'll be just talking about the slope. So you need to understand what is slope. Slope means if we are having, okay, coordinate axis, if we are having a line like this, okay, maybe a straight line, just a straight line L, then slope means how much this line is inclined with the positive direction of x-axis. Okay, if we know this angle, suppose this angle is 60-degree, then slope can be found m. We represent the slope with small letter m. Okay, distance you understand in a better way. Okay, distance you understand in a better way, because distance means just the distance between 2 points. Okay, or maybe the midpoint. For midpoint, if I am talking about midpoint of a line segment, that also you understand. Okay, that means the middle point. But the moment the concept of slope comes, okay, everyone start getting confused that what is this slope. Slope means what? So slope means how much our line is inclined, how much it is inclined. Is it this much inclined, or this much, or this much, or this much? Okay, what angle it is making with the positive direction of x-axis. Okay, that not just the angle is representing the slope. Okay, with the help of angle we can find the slope. Okay, m slope can be found with tan of this angle. This angle is nothing but angle made with the positive direction of x-axis. Basically we are trying to check how much the line is inclined. Is it inclined too much with the x-axis, or this much, or this much? That's called slope of the line. Making sense, Mariam?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so we can find slope by taking any 2 point on this line. We may have any 2 point on this line, any 2 point. Okay, if you know the coordinate of a point A, if you know the coordinate of a point B, then you can find the slope by using the formula. There are two formulas for finding the slope. One with the help of the coordinate, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now, if you are thinking what is x2, what is y2, so the coordinate will be given. Okay, A coordinate you can take as a x1, y1, B coordinate you can take as a x2, y2. Okay, so with the help of this coordinates, we can find the slope. Slope can be a whole number, can be a fractional number. That number is just representing uh, how much our line is inclined with the positive x-axis. Okay, now slope, the same slope can also be found with the help of this tan theta. So we say there are two formula for m. One is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, and another is tan theta. Now last class I was also explaining one more concept, that if we are having a line and the line goes like this, here the slope of this line will be negative. Okay, here the slope will be negative. Why? Because when we are moving from the left side, from the extreme left direction, here we are moving and moving and moving and moving and moving, and can we see our line is going down and down and down and down and down? Can we see? Yes, Mariam, can we see?
Yes, miss.
Okay, if our line is going down, okay, when we are moving from the left side towards the right side and our line is moving in the downward direction, then we will say the slope is negative over here. Okay, last class we were checking with the coordinate also, and it was coming negative. When you are moving from the left side towards the right side, when your line is going up and up and up and up, that means your slope will be positive. Is it making sense to all of you?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Mariam, is it making sense?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Uh, slope in other way, we just say slope means inclination. Slope means how much the line is. Okay, you must have seen. Just a moment. Let me take an example on the graph paper. Then you will understand in a better way. Just a moment. I'm sharing another screen. Give me a moment. Can you see this screen?
Yes, ma'am.
The graphical one. Can you
Yes,
see?
ma'am.
I have taken two lines. One is y is equals to x. Another is y is equals to 5x. We are trying to understand what exactly is the meaning of the slope. Just see carefully. If you will look at y is equals to x, the red one, and y is equals to 5x, the blue one. Can you see the blue one is steeper than the red one? Steeper. Steeper means what? Steeper means, okay, you must have taken any ride in the water park, and if the ride looks like the blue line, okay, very quickly the y value is changing. Can you see? It is very just steep. The line is steep.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. However, the red one is comparatively better than the blue one. Can you see? ST1.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Or another example is, suppose the red one is a staircase and a blue one is a staircase. So blue one is quite difficult to climb. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Is it making sense to all of you? The blue one slope is
Yes,
more
ma'am.
than the red one. Okay. The slope of the blue one is more than the red one. Okay. Steep, because the blue one is steeper than the red one. Okay, for very small value of x, the y is changing here quick. Can you see? For very small x, y is changing quickly too. Okay, then x is just okay 0.8 or whatever, and y is 4 point something. That's called slope. The line is very steeper. Okay, this here, if we are saying if we are comparing between the red line and the blue line, the slope of the blue line is more than the slope of the red line. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's called the slope. Yes, whoever understand Hindi, slope means how much our line is inclined with the positive direction of x-axis. Okay, हमारा जो line है वो कितना एक्स एक्सिस की तरफ झुका हुआ है, उसे हम स्लोप बताते हैं. जब भी हमारा लाइन बहुत स्टीपर होता है, ओके, स्टीपर का मतलब होता है जो ब्लू कलर वाला लाइन हमारा दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, जो कि ऐसे ऐसे राइड्स जो होते हैं वाटर पार्क में, जो कि पूरे वी शेप में होते हैं. ओके, वहां पे स्लोप दोनों तरफ दोनों लाइन का बहुत ही ओके, द वैल्यू ऑफ द स्लोप इज बिगर. Okay, hence the line is steeper, and hence the ride is really dangerous than the red one. Okay, this way we can understand that slope means we are checking that with the x value how y is changing. If your x is changing, accordingly y is changing. Now slowly x is changing, and yeah, y is also changing accordingly. That means the slope is a lower number. Okay, just very slowly everything is changing. Okay, and if the x is just x changed 0.4 and y is 4, just 2. Okay, now x is 0.8 and y is more than 4. Okay, if this like this, for very small minute x is changing and y is changing huge, that means the slope is more. Getting it? Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and just now I was telling you that there is a formula for finding the slope. That is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. And that x2 minus x2, x1, y2, y1, you can take any coordinate, any point lying on the line. So let's find the slope of this. Okay, by red color line. By using 4 comma 4, find the slope by using 4 comma 4 and by using 0 0. That means origin. You can find slope by using any 2 point, right? On this line, red color line, you can have any
Yes,
2 point.
ma'am.
You can use those point and you can find the slope. So I'm telling you, find the slope by using the point 4 comma 4 and the origin, that is 0 comma 0, because our red line is passing through origin. Okay, find the slope. Yes, Mariam, the formula was y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. From here, you can assume any one as a x1, y1 and the other one as a x2, y2. Getting it, Mariam?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What is the slope? Please find the slope.
Ma'am, 4 and 0, 0.
Yeah.
For that value.
For the red color line, the slope is y2 minus y1, that is 4 minus 0, by x2 minus x1, that is 4 minus 0. That means 4 by 4. The slope is 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? Right, everyone? Aisha, Manvi, Mariam, are you getting the slope as a 1 for red colored line?
Yes, Miss.
Is it 1? I am giving you two coordinates, 4, 4, 0, 0. What will be the slope? Formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. The slope will be 1, right? Now, if I will take a point on the blue color line, this one. Find the slope. Again, the points are 0.8, 4 and 0, 0. This is also passing through 0, 0 and we can take 0, 0 for blue color line also. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
You just need to know any two coordinate, any 2 points coordinate lying on the line, any two, not necessary the two I'm showing. You can take any two coordinate and you can put it in the formula. Which formula? The slope formula. I'll share the screen there. You will be able to see the formula. You can copy it. Just a moment. Just try understanding the slope first. Then I'm sharing that screen. What is the slope in numbers? Tell
It's
me.
0.2.
4 by 0.8 can be written as? Yes, Nabila, what you say?
0.2.
0.2.
Yes.
Just a second. It should not 0.2. Just a moment. No?
Sorry.
Here I am
It's not
not
5.
5, just 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Just copy the coordinate, no, Nabila. 4, 2 is there for the green one. 4, 2. Okay. And now here only I will explain all these concepts. Just a second. First, try understanding what is slope. Okay, because understanding the slope, okay, it's not difficult. I'm trying to explain over here. Just a moment. I'm trying to write over here. Just a second. Yeah. You all can see the screen. Wait. Can you see the screen? You can
Yes,
see
ma'am.
angle. The green line is making an angle with the x-axis. That angle must be smaller than whatever angle is created by the red line with the x-axis, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And that angle must be less than whatever is created by the blue line. That means the blue line is creating the maximum angle. With the help of the angle, we can understand the slope of this one will be the least, the green color line. You can see the screen, right? I am writing something over here. Can you see? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we can clearly see over here that the slope of the green line will be least. Slope of the this uh, red color line will be in the middle, and the slope of this blue line will be the maximum. Is it making sense? According to the angle, we can say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Or another way to identify is the see the steepness of the line. Okay, just treat it like a staircase. So green one is a staircase, red one is a staircase, and blue one is a staircase. Can you see the most dangerous staircase is the blue one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm saying staircase. Okay, the more if this type of staircase you are having, then it require more. Okay, we have to be careful and we have to be balanced. Okay, while climbing on this type of staircase, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this line is much more steeper than the other two line. Okay, this line slope will be the maximum. Now we have also checked the slope by using the formula. The red line, we have taken a point over here 4 comma 4, and the origin, since red is passing through the origin, for finding the slope we have two formulas. One, m is equals to tan theta, another m is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. We have used the other formula, the coordinate one, y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1. Here we have substituted. Suppose 4 comma 4 is x1 y1 and 0 0 is x2 y2. Okay, or maybe 4 4 is x2 y2, 0 0 is x1 y1. So this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. If we are doing y2 minus y1, we'll be having 4 minus 0. If we are doing x2 minus x1, we'll be having 4 minus 0. Clearly you can see the slope is 1. Similarly, if you will find the slope of the green line, here the coordinate was, can you tell me, Nabila? I was telling you to just note down the coordinate 4 comma 2
4.
was there. 4 comma
Yes,
2
ma'am.
was there. Okay. So one of the coordinate on blue color line is 4 comma 2. Just a second. So 4 comma 2 is one of the point on green line. Okay, we have just now checked in the graph paper. With the help of the software, we have found that 4 comma 2 is a random point on the green line and 0 0 is a point on green line because green line is also passing through the origin. Now here if we will find the slope y2 minus y1, you can take this one as a x1 y1. Okay, you don't think that if you will take in a okay anyway x1 y1 x2 y2 then the value of slope will change. No, it will not change. Okay, y2 minus y1 that means 0 minus 2 and x2 minus x1 that is 0 minus 4 and you can see the slope is minus 2 by minus 4 that means the slope is 1 by 2. You can clearly see the green color line slope is smaller than the red line, okay, which we could have decided by checking the steepness of the line, if that way it is making sense. Okay, and the blue line, the coordinate over here for the blue line was just now we were checking in the graph paper with the help of the software. We found that there was point over here on the blue line and the coordinate over there was that 0.2 comma 4 or what?
4 comma 4.
No, the blue one, Abila.
The-
Blue
Oh, it's 0.8 comma.
0.8 comma 4. Yeah, 0.8 comma 4. Here also if we will take any random point and the origin we can take. Okay, for finding the slope you can take any 2 point lying on the line. Any 2 point lying on the line. Nabila is finding the slope by using two different point. Mariam is finding the slope by using two another point. She found that okay, these 2 points are lying on the line and Nabila found another 2 point. Both the slope, okay, both will get the same answer, don't worry. Okay, the moment you will get the fraction numerator denominator, if cancellation will be possible, the answer for the slope will not change if we are taking the different points lying on the line. Getting it? So for the blue one, the
Yes, ma'am.
slope will be y2. We have taken a point 0 comma 8 0.84 and 0 0 again because the blue one is also passing through the origin. We can use the formula y2 minus y1. Okay, let's take x1 y1 x2 y2. So we can take y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So what are we getting? 4 by 0.8. That means 40 by 8. That means the slope is 5, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear to all of you? You can clearly see the blue color line slope is 5. The red color line slope is 1 and the green color line is slope is half. Now you must be getting what is slope, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Bigger the angle, bigger will be the slope. Smaller the angle, smaller will be the slope. Clear? Is it clear, Mariam? Slope means what? Yes, Mariam, are you getting it?
Yes, miss.
Okay. If you want, you can draw these three in your notebook. These three lines. Okay? And then you can just quick, you can find the slope of each and every one just for the reference. Okay. Please do it.
Okay.
And yeah, please tell me everyone, is it making sense to all of you? What is slope?
Yes, ma'am.
Today we will check the angle between two. And yeah, if you are done, Mariam, and whoever is copying, if you are done, please let me know. Okay, we will see how to find the angle between two lines. Are you done, everyone? Yes. Are you done, everyone? Okay, let's move. Now we are going to see the formula for angle between two lines. Can you see this screen on which I am writing?
Yeah.
Okay. Suppose we are having the coordinate axis, x-axis, y-axis. We are having a line like this. Okay. Suppose we are calling it L1, and this is making an angle, let's say alpha 1. Okay, slope can be found with the help of the angle as well. So we can say M1 can be taken out by using this alpha 1, that is tan of alpha 1. This is the slope, right? Right?
Yes.
Okay, another formula for slope was M is equals to tan alpha. Okay, tan theta, where the theta is the angle with the positive direction of x-axis. Now, if we are having another line, let's say L2. Okay, I'm talking about intersecting line, hence the angle between two lines. So if we are having L2, this is line L2, okay, and making an angle alpha 2 with the positive x-axis. Slope can be found by using this alpha 2. We can say slope M2 is equals to tan of alpha 2. Is it making sense so far to everyone?
Yes.
Now we are trying to check how to find the angle between these two lines. So the moment I started the class, I was telling you that two type of angle can exist. If we are talking about intersecting line, either we are thinking about this angle or we are thinking about this angle. Okay, because the remaining will be the vertically opposite pair, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these are the two possible angles. Suppose we are saying the angle, let's assume that it is theta. Can you see a triangle over here? Triangle A, B, C. Can you see triangle ABC over here? In this triangle ABC, by using the exterior angle property, can I say if that is theta, this will also be theta by vertically opposite angle? This one. Can I
Yes,
say?
ma'am.
Okay, of course, this will be theta. And we are trying to check what is theta. How to find this theta? Angle between two lines. How to find angle between two lines? Theta. Okay. So we can use the triangle ABC. You can clearly see in triangle ABC, if we will use the exterior angle property, here you will find that there is exterior angle over here, okay, which we are calling alpha 2. That can be written as the sum of alpha 1 and theta. Yes or no? Is it making sense to all of you? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
That means angle theta can be found by using alpha 2 minus alpha 1. Okay, we don't know how to find alpha 2 alpha 1, but we can say that tan theta we can find by using, okay, both side I am just taking tan. Okay, theta is equals to alpha 2 minus alpha 1. That means tan theta is equals to tan alpha 2 minus alpha 1. Is it clear so far?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this, with the help of this relation, we are taking tangent of the angle on both sides, and hence we are able to write this step. Is it making sense? Now tan theta we can find, that is equals to, we can use the formula over here of tan A minus B. Okay, if you know the formula, great. If you don't know the formula, directly you can see the formula for angle between two lines. I am concluding this one. So actually it will come as a tan alpha 2 minus tan alpha 1 by 1 plus tan alpha 2 into tan alpha 1, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Initially only we say that m1 is tan alpha 1, m2 is tan alpha 2. So here at the place of tan alpha 2, we can write m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 into m2. This is the formula for finding the angle. Okay, this angle theta. With the help of the tan, we will be finding, okay, we'll do one question. If the angle is given, then how to find one of the slope. Okay, if both the slopes are given, how to find the angle, we will be using this formula. See, this is the formula, that for finding the angle between two lines, we have a formula tan theta, where theta is the angle, okay, is equals to, we will be taking modulus of m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 into m2. This is the formula. You should forget the proof, but this formula will be using every now and then. Proof is not required. Nowhere it will say that prove that, okay, how to find the angle between two lines, but the formula is really important. I am summarizing from the beginning. See what we did. We were trying to find the angle between two lines, so we have taken one of the line, we have taken another line. The moment we have taken the line, we thought that let's think about the slope. slope. So we said that first line is making an angle alpha 1, second line is making alpha 2. Hence the slope can be written as m1 is tan alpha 1, m2 is tan alpha 2. Now this condition we are keeping aside. We are talking about angle between two lines. In between two L1 and L2, two angle can be formed. Either that theta or maybe that this phi. Okay. So we thought let's find theta first. So with the help of the triangle, we got one relation between theta alpha, alpha 1, alpha 2, and we have taken tan on both sides and we got the formula. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is the formula for finding the angle between two lines. Now, the moment I started, I was telling you that if you are having two intersecting line and if I am telling this angle is theta, this angle is 60 degree. Can you find this angle? So you all said me, yeah, with the help of linear pair, we can find the other angle. The other angle will be 180 minus 60, that is 120 degree, right? So here also,
Yes.
if both the angles are asked, that there are two line L1 and L2 and find both the angle. Okay, both the angle getting created in between this two line. That means we need to find theta. We also need to find that phi, which can be found by using 180 minus theta. Clear? Is it clear? Yes, Manvi, Neha, Aisha, Mariam, is it making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if we are finding theta from here, then phi we can found by ourselves. We can use the vertically opposite angle. Okay, that if one is 60, another will be 60. Okay, if here phi is the another angle which is getting created, which can be found by using the linear pair concept. 180 minus 60, that is 120. So you should just memorize this formula. That there is a formula for finding the angle between two lines, angle between two line, and the formula is mod of m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2. Okay, mod means if you are getting a negative answer for this one, you should take it positive. If after doing all the calculation you are getting minus 2, you should take it as a positive number. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the formula which you need to keep in your mind. The proof and everything was just for your understanding, but the formula is really, really, really important. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's solve one question. If the angle between two lines is pi by 4 and slope of one of the line is 1 by 2, find the slope of other line. Okay, if the angle between two line is pi by 4, angle between two line, the moment we will realize that the question is related to angle between two line, that means we need to use the formula tan theta is equals to mod of m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Angle is pi by 4. We can take tan of pi by 4. Now before this, you need to understand that if you are having any time, anywhere, if you are having mod x is equals to 2, that means we can say x value can be positive 2 or maybe x value can be negative 2. Do you know that?
Yes.
It will be. Why? Because inside the modulus x is there and the final answer is 2. That means minus 2. Maybe there was minus 2 or maybe there was just 2. Yes or no? These two possible cases can exist. If they inside the mod there is a term, we don't know what that term is, but we know the final answer is 2, positive 2. That means inside the mod minus 2 was there or maybe just 2 was there. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? So if you are understanding this one, then it will help over here, because mod is there. We'll be using, if the angle between two line is pi by 4, we understand that this is theta. Angle between two line, okay, this is theta. And the slope of one of the line is 1 by 2. That means m1 is 1 by 2. And we have to find the slope of the other line. M2 we have to find. Okay, let's keep M2 as it is. You can say M1 we have to find, M2 is given, or M2 we have to find, M1 is given. Whatever you are taking, fine. Okay. So I am saying that M1 is given, M2 we have to find. So M2 minus 1 by 2 over 1 plus 1 by 2 into M2. Clear? Tan pi by 4 value is, what is the value for tan pi by 4? Yes, tan pi by 4 is
45.
1. Is it 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Modulus of something is 1. Modulus of something is 1. That means when we will remove the modulus, we can write it as a, one of the case can be minus 1, another case can be plus 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, we will say m2 minus 1 by 2 by 1 plus this half of m2. That is maybe just 1, or maybe it's minus 1. Clear? Yes. Manvi, Neha, Aisha, Mariam, is it making sense? Is it making sense?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. From here, what we will get? M2 minus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 plus half M2. Let's focus on M2, M2 together. So what we will do? M2 minus 1 by 2 M2. And here 1 plus 1 by 2. What are we getting? 2m2 minus m2, it will be 1 by 2m2. Okay, and it will be 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. So basically your m2 is positive 3, maybe positive 3. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's solve the other one as well. M2 minus 1 by 2 is equals to minus 1 plus half m2. That means minus 1 minus half m2. We will take 1 by 2 to this side, and this time it will get added with m2. And we will have minus 1 plus 1 by 2. 2m2 plus 1 will be 3m2 by 2. And here it will be minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1 by 2. And from here you are going to get m2 will be minus 1 by 3. Please check it. Are you getting the same? What I am doing, I am just solving the equation. Is it making sense? This 2m2 we have got. Okay. See the solution. Since modulus was involved over here, we have to take both the cases. Okay, either 1 or -1. Not only over here. You just try solving for M2 and tell me, are you getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Neha, Manvi, Mariam,
Yes, ma'am.
see the solution from the beginning. Yes, Mariam, have you copied this formula? Yes, everyone, not only Mariam. Yes, everyone. Have you copied the whole thing? Angle between two lines, how we are finding?
Yes, miss.
Sir.
Okay. This part you are done. Then are you done with this, the final formula, which is really important, the rectangular box one? Yes, Mariam. Have you noted this one?
Yes, miss. The box, right?
Yeah, the box one,
Yeah.
which is the actual formula which we need to keep in mind, even though we are not able to recall how we got the formula, but we should know the formula and the uses of the formula. Yeah, the explanation, the understanding is required that when we are talking about angle between two lines, the angle can be just like two intersecting line, how in class 9 you were learning. Okay, vertically opposite angle, one of the pair, and another pair also vertically opposite. So two type of angle can exist. If one angle is acute, another will be obtuse, which can be found by doing 180 minus theta. Okay, and that we will do when it is asked in the question. Now this solution, here in the question it was asked that we are having two lines. Okay, read it by yourself. If the angle between two line is pi by 4, so we are having two lines. Angle between both the line is pi by 4. Now let's read the next part. And the slope of one of the line is 1 by 2. So one of the lines slope we know that is 1 by 2. Find the slope of the other line. The moment we will realize that this is the question related to angle between two lines, we will be using the formula for angle between two lines, that is tan theta is equals to mod of m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2. Okay, please do the solution. Do it this much. Yes, everyone. Have you noted the question as
Yes,
well
ma'am.
as the solution? See, this is the question, and the solution starts from here. Is there any step which is not making sense to you? Yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so tan theta is m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2. Then here theta was given as a pi by 4. We have substituted. Now one of the line slope is given, another is not given. If you are thinking which one to take, m1 or m2, I am telling you, you take any one. Okay, you take m1 as a 1 by 2 and try finding m2, or maybe you take m2 as a 1 by 2 and try finding m1. You will end up having this two situation only. Yes, Neha, Manvi, Mariam, have you copied this much?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mariam, are you done with
Yes,
copying
ma'am.
this one? Take your time, okay? I'm not rushing. If you will say that no, then patiently I'll be waiting for you.
Yes,
Okay?
miss. I'm done.
So if you are done till here, then with the proper understanding that modulus is like a machine. Inside this machine, if we will drop a negative number, it will give the answer as a positive result. If we will drop a positive number inside this machine, it will give back the same number. with this understanding, okay, if mod x is 2, that means inside the modulus, okay, that x value can be -2 or maybe just 2. If we are having mod of x is equals to +2, okay, from the modulus we are getting the answer as a +2. That means inside the modulus maybe there was a negative number or maybe there was a positive number, right? Right?
Yes,
With
ma'am.
that understanding, here also, when we are removing the modulus sign, we are taking the answer that 1, okay, we are taking that as a 1 in one of the case and -1 in another case. See, this one or maybe this one. Maybe the result is +1 or maybe it is -1. Okay, and now I am leaving this on you to solve for M2 and tell me what is M2. Please solve it. Solve case 1 and case 2 and tell me the M2 value. Yes, what are your answer for M2? One by one. Nabila, are you done with solving?
1 minute.
Solve it and tell me the M2 values one by one. Yes, Manvi, Neha, Mariam, are you solving for M2? Yes, Neha, Manvi, Mariam.
Yes, ma'am.
I, okay, please solve it and tell me the M2 value. You just have to solve this equation, this one. And you have to tell me what will be M2. It's just like a variable X or maybe Y or maybe Z. Okay, you are just trying to check what will be the value. Yeah, the equation can be containing fractional numbers and all, but please solve it. Similarly, you have to solve the other one and you have to tell me what is M2. Yes, what is the M2 value? Any one of them if you have solved?
3 itself.
Yes, Nabila, what you said?
3.
Okay, 3. One of the M2 value you got as a 3, right?
Yes.
Yeah, please find the other one. Yes, Manvi, Neha, Mariam, are you able to solve it for M2?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting the first answer as a 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mariam, are you getting the first answer as a 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it clear? Please find the other M2. So according to case 2, we have to solve it and we have to find M2. Are you getting the other M2 as a minus 1 by 3? No? See, at first we have done crisscross multiplication. This term gone to the other side, okay, over here, and got multiplied with the negative. That is, it became negative 1 by 2 M2. Making sense?
Yes,
Now after
ma'am.
that, what we do? We collect M2 and M2 together. So I have collected them and we keep the numbers together. So minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Clear? Clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are adding. We are adding M2 plus 1 by 2 M2. Here the LCM will be 2, right?
Yes,
And here we will have 2 M2 plus 1 M2. Yes or no?
yes, ma'am.
Is it making sense? Manvi, Neha, Mariam.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you are thinking how I have taken 2 M2 in the numerator, you can compare the previous denominator with the current denominator. There is a multiplication of 2, hence we are multiplying 2 in the numerator as well. Okay, so it became 3M2. That is equals to over there. Okay, minus 1 plus 1 by 2 will be minus 2 plus 1 by 2, that is negative 1 by 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can do crisscross multiplication, just crisscross multiplication. You will be having 3 2 times 6 M2 and that is minus 2. That means M2 is equals to minus 2 by 6. That means minus 1 by 3. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Manvi, Neha, Mariam, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Two possible slopes we are getting. And in maths, it can happen. We can get two possible answers and it is completely fine. Okay. If you are thinking that we started with the solution that there are two lines making an angle pi by 4. If the one of the line slope was given, what is the slope of the other line? Then why we are getting two answer for the slope? Two answer for the slope is representing that two such line exist. we can create pi by 4 with the given line. Making sense? Two different line can exist. Okay, maybe we can have this one, or maybe we can have, okay, this way, and this one is pi by 4. Okay, two different line can exist. Is it making sense?
Yes.
Okay, so we will keep the answer as it is. We don't have to do anything. Our answer for the slopes are one is 3, maybe 3, or maybe minus 1 by 3. Clear? Have you copied the whole solution, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here, then case 1 and case 2. We are getting two slopes. What are we doing? Nothing. Just we have used the slope formula and we tried solving the equation. That's it. Yeah, while solving the equation, we had to remove the modular sign, and every time with proper understanding, we will be removing the modular sign like that. How? This way. If you, in case we will be having mod of y plus 2 is equals to 20 here. For example, yes, if we are having mod of y plus 2 is equals to 20, from now onward, we will show our understanding that, yeah, we understand that this y plus 2 answer, maybe that answer was minus 20, or maybe that answer was plus 20. That's why here the final answer is reflecting as a positive 20 due to this machine. Making sense?
Yes,
Making
ma'am.
sense? Okay. Whenever we'll be having this type of question, we will say that y plus 2 is maybe just 20, or maybe y plus 2 is minus 20. With this understanding, is it making sense, Manvi, Neha, Mariam?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and yeah, we will be getting two y values. One of the y value is 18 and another y value is minus 22. Okay, in case we are having a quadratic form, that x square plus 12x plus 32, that is equals to 2. Again, we will show the same understanding that after solving this part, okay, inside the modulus, if the final answer is 2, that means maybe it was just negative 2, or maybe it was positive 2. One by one, we will be taking x square plus 12x plus 30. One by first time we'll be taking it as a minus 2, another time we'll be taking it as a plus 2, then proper quadratic equation will be converting, and then we will solve the quadratic equation one by one in both the cases. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, let me take few more questions like this. Yeah. The slope of a line is double of the slope of another line. If tangent of angle between them see, the slope of a line is double of the slope of the another line if tangent of angle between them, okay, the moment you will read angle between them, that means you have to recall the formula was tan theta is equals to mod m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now here it is written, tangent of angle between them is 1 by 3. That means tan theta value is given directly to us as a 1 by 3. Yes or no? Tan theta, recall in class 10, you have learned the full form for this tan theta was tangent of the theta, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So tangent of the angle means directly this time angle is not given. Directly tan theta value is given as a 1 by 3. Okay, this time angle is not given. Directly tan theta is given as a 1 by 3. That is equals to, now let's read the question. The slope of a line is double of slope of another line. So one of the line slope is double of the slope of the another line. So if if M1 is there, M2 is there. If you are saying M1 is just M, then M2 will be 2 times of M. Yes or no? Or if you are saying M1 is X, then M2 will be 2X. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Because here it's written that slope of one of the line is double the slope of the other line. Okay, so we will drop over here. M2 is 2x, M1 is just x over 1 plus M2 is 2x, M1 is just x, and we will try focusing solving this for x. Okay, if little bit more, I can just simplify this one. It will be 2x minus x will be just x, and 1 plus 2x square in the denominator. That's it. Okay, that's it. Now we will be saying that modulus is giving the answer as a 1 by 3. That means maybe from the modulus, it was inside the modulus, it was minus 1 by 3, or maybe inside the modulus, it was just 1 by 3. That's why the final answer is looking as a positive 1 by 3. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 1 by 1, we will be taking both the possibility that x by 1 plus 2x is squared this way. Case 1 is Case 1 is x by 1 plus 2x square, that is 1 by 3. You will be doing crisscross multiplication, and then you will be getting maybe a quadratic equation which you have to solve. Clear? And the case 2 will be this x by 1 plus 2x square is minus 1 by 3. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, please note down till here. After this, you have to solve it by yourself. Next class, you will let me know that have you completed this one, or you were struggling anywhere. So accordingly, we will be continuing from there. Please note it down till here. Yes, but before that, please tell me, have you noted down the question? Have you noted down the question? The slope of a line is double the slope of another line. Okay, this is another line. If tangent of angle between them is 1 by 3, find the slope of lines. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we have used the formula and we have just substituted everything in the formula. Yes, Neha, Manvi, Nabila, Mariam, copy till here and tell me if you are done.
Done.
Okay. Nabila, you are done. Then yeah, we'll be okay. Till here we are doing. Yes, but before that, Manvi, Neha, Mariam, please let me know once you are done.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Done. Yes,
Done, ma'am.
done. Mariam. Yes, Mariam, are you done? Okay, you can do it. Take your time and do it.